Number 1.
1997 Ford F-150, price $8,500, reliable and well-maintained pickup powered by a strong 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has 198,664 miles on the body and has been carefully owned by only one owner with a clean title in hand. Although the truck shows 198,000 miles, the engine, transmission, and differential were all professionally rebuilt at around 180,000 miles, helping it continue to run and drive great. It has been upgraded with a 3-inch lift, aggressive 33-inch all-terrain tires, American racing wheels, and a Flowmaster Super 10 muffler that gives the truck a deep, strong sound. Additional upgrades include LED headlights and interior lighting, an aftermarket stereo and speaker setup, and an Air-Aid cold air intake for improved airflow and performance.
Number 2.
1986 Nissan King Cab, price $7,900, equipped with the uncommon factory electro-injection fuel injection system. Showing 189,000 miles, this yellow pickup is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, along with a strong clutch and properly functioning 4x4 system and transfer case. The cylinder head has been completely rebuilt, and the engine shows no fluid leaks. The body and chassis are nearly rust-free, with only minor rust spots located at the inside lower corners of both doors. Panel gaps remain excellent throughout, with no visible signs of previous accident damage. The yellow exterior paint presents nicely overall, with only minor chips and scratches consistent with the truck's age. Inside, the cabin remains completely original, including the factory seat fabric, door panels, and interior trim, giving the truck an authentic vintage appearance that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in unmodified condition.
Number 3.
1995 GMC Sierra, price $7,900. This truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 3.73 G80 Posey rear end. The truck has approximately 150,000 miles and runs on gasoline. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it remains mostly stock with original paint and only very minor rust. The transmission was rebuilt about 4 years ago, and the truck has been used as a reliable daily driver during the summers for the past several years. It runs and drives well, offering a solid foundation for someone looking for a clean classic pickup that could look even better with a proper detail and a little extra attention. The truck does carry a rebuilt title.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F-150, price $9,500, powered by a strong 5.4L Triton V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has only 103,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been very well maintained and garage kept throughout its life.
It comes with a clean title and is in excellent overall condition both mechanically and cosmetically.
Recent upgrades include a brand new set of wheels and tires, a Flowmaster exhaust system for a deeper sound, a bed cover, and an Alpine Apple CarPlay radio professionally installed by Driver's Edge. The truck runs and drives great with absolutely no known issues, making it a solid and reliable classic F-150 ready for daily driving or weekend cruising.
Number 5.
1996 GMC Sierra 2500, price $6,500. Well-kept heavy-duty pickup powered by a strong-running 454 engine with only 141,000 miles. It comes with an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, along with cold air conditioning and fully functioning power windows, power seats, and radio. Finished in white with a clean gray interior, the truck has been well maintained inside and out. The interior is in very good condition with no rips or tears in the seats. Although the headliner is beginning to hang slightly, the body is straight with no visible signs of rust or previous accidents, and the underside remains clean.
All chrome trim and glass are in good condition.
It is equipped with a tow package and sits on new tires, making it an excellent tow vehicle.
The truck also includes a clean Arizona title, current registration, and a California smog certificate in hand. Number 6.
1988 GMC 1500, price $9,000, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, the truck runs and drives well overall.
It is a rust-free example that has been repainted at some point in its life. The seller notes that the truck may need a replacement knock sensor wire or plug due to damage to the original unit, and the tail shaft seal appears to have a minor leak. The oil pressure sensor may also need replacement, although the seller mentions the issue could possibly be related to the oil pump. The AC display screen is somewhat buggy and may require replacement, but both the air conditioning and heater are functioning properly. The odometer is currently not working, though it displays 175,000 miles. Number 7. 1997 Ford F-250, price $8,800, comes with only 118,000 miles and is powered by a strong 7.5-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an overdrive automatic transmission. This one-owner truck features a green exterior with a tan interior and includes flyshift 4x4 engagement for dependable off-road capability. The interior, dashboard, door panels, and carpet remain in excellent condition, showing how well the truck has been maintained over the years. The exterior paint is beginning to show wear from the Arizona sun and would benefit from a repaint, but the body still presents well overall. Sitting on aftermarket 16-inch off-road style aluminum wheels wrapped in 265/75/16 all-terrain tires, the truck is ready for both work and recreation. The air conditioning blows cold, recent service work has already been completed, and this heavy-duty 3/4-ton F-250 is fully prepared for daily driving, towing, or weekend adventures. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Dakota, price $3,975, powered by a reliable 2.5L gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic driving experience for anyone who enjoys being behind the wheel. This two-wheel drive pickup has only 75,000 original miles and has been well preserved over the years. Finished in blue with a clean gray interior, the truck presents itself nicely both inside and out. Originally from Arkansas, this Dakota is completely rust-free, which is becoming increasingly difficult to find on older trucks of this era. The transmission shifts smoothly through all gears, and the truck runs strong overall. It comes with a clean title and has been owned by a non-smoker, helping maintain the condition of the interior. The heater is currently not functioning, but aside from that, the vehicle appears to be in solid mechanical condition. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, powered by a 2.8L V6 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 110,000 miles and features a white exterior with a tan interior. This truck is solid, straight, and runs great. It drives and stops exactly as it should, making it a dependable classic compact pickup. Recent maintenance includes a newer clutch and pressure plate, fresh oil change, new battery, and new seatbelts. With relatively low mileage for its age, the truck has been well preserved overall. The body shows minimal to no rust, with only one small rust spot on the passenger side. The interior is not perfect, but it still presents nicely and remains decent for a truck of this vintage. It does have a few minor electrical gremlins, though none of them affect drivability. Number 10. 1991 Ford F-150, price $3,000, powered by the desirable 351 Windsor V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck has approximately 350,000 miles and was originally a special order model. While it is not a show truck, it remains a dependable old pickup with plenty of life left for the right owner. The truck starts, runs, and drives well, and it can still be comfortably driven on the road. The paint shows some fading, and there is visible rust in areas, but overall it still presents nicely for its age. Inside, the cabin remains clean and mostly original, featuring working power windows and power locks, along with overdrive controlled by a switch. It also benefits from a newer primary fuel tank, adding to its usability and reliability.